Hello students, welcome to the class. I do welcome you in every class. It's really nice. And being the board classes, my major concern and my major thing is that you must feel comfortable and you must be knowing about what next is to be done. And there is lot of importance in the while because you are sitting for the board examinations, so you should have lot of presence of mind. किसी क्वेश्चन में अगर फंस रहे हो, if you are getting trapped in any question, how to save yourself from that? Got it? Many questions would be there. Please understand. What I am trying to say is कि how you are tackling the hot questions, those things will take you above the edge. अगर 95 and above marks लाना है तो आपको questions को tackle करना आना चाहिए. And उसको सबसे पहले, the first thing that you need to know is the question has been asked from which page, which chapter, which topic. देखो मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूं. What I am trying to explain is that you have to know everything about the whereabouts of this chapter. उस चैप्टर के बारे में ऊपर से नीचे तक लेके सारी चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. Got it? कि how you are going to tackle that chapter, tackle that question. तो उसके लिए क्या है? You have to be very thorough with the chapter. You cannot manage to leave any word, any line, any concept from the chapter. Please understand that. Got it? तो इस चीज को थोड़ा ध्यान देना. Why I am saying again, your syllabus has been reduced, so you need to be very well accustomed with the present syllabus that is there. एक एक चीज पता होनी चाहिए. You have to do an extensive study. That is the call of the hour. Okay? Previous video, what we have discussed is functions of the political party. Correct? We have completed this topic, functions. बहुत सारी चीजें हमने इसमें डिस्कस की. I will just give you a recap of the points that we all have done. ठीक है? क्या क्या functions होते हैं? पहला तो ये होता है that political party है तो उनका काम है elections contest करना. Okay? First thing that the party's first function of a political party is contesting the election. Second function is they make and they put forward different policies and programs. Country को चलाना है ना? They have to run the country. Political parties are running the country. Yes, my dear children. Because until and unless the political parties know what is their duty, how will the country run? Okay, they frame policies and programs. Third point that we have discussed was they sit in the parliament. They look at the problems of the people. And they try to solve those problems. How? They solve those problems by making laws. ये लॉ बनाते हैं कंट्री के लिए. They do make laws for the country. क्योंकि again I am telling you, running a big country is not an easy task. छोटा मोटा काम नहीं है. So when these political parties are assigned with so much of responsibility, so they have to see that how they are running the country, how they are making the laws for the country, and I'm sorry, they can't do it on their own. Got it? अपने आप नहीं कर सकते हैं. There are opposition parties are there, other groups are there जिनके साथ lot of debates and discussions happen in the parliament. लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, प्रेसिडेंट, बहुत सारे लोगों का अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है बिफोर मेकिंग अ लॉ. ओके, दैट्स द बेनिफिट एंड दैट्स द प्लस पॉइंट ऑफ अ डेमोक्रेसी, ऑफ बीइंग इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. सबसे बड़ा फायदा, सबसे बड़ा यही चीज है. ओके. Then parties, they play a very important role in making these laws. Then the party which has won the elections, जो पार्टी, भाई इलेक्शंस होते हैं, एक पार्टी जीतती है, एक पार्टी हारती है. एंड हमारे यहाँ तो एक पार्टी की बात नहीं है. देयर आर सो मेनी पार्टीज विच आर रजिस्टर्ड पार्टीज एंड दे कॉन्टेस्ट द इलेक्शंस. तो इन दैट we see that parties, they form and they run the government. The party which has won the elections, they form and run the government. They have to form the government and they have to run the government. Another, जो जीत जाते हैं वो तो गवर्नमेंट बना लेते हैं. The people who have lost, they play the role of opposition. Nowhere the role of opposition is less. पहले भी मैंने इसको बहुत ज्यादा डिस्कस किया हुआ है. So I'm not going in detail. The opposition plays a very important role in the smooth functioning of the country. आराम से देश को अगर चलाना है तो opposition का रोल इसमें बहुत important होता है. Okay, because they keep a check on the working of the government. Okay. Another thing that is there, these political parties, the parties which are there, they form the public opinion. They shape the public opinion. आम आदमी क्या चाहता है? What does the common man need? That is there. Another thing that they always take care. They have to shape the public opinion. Accordingly, they take the decisions. Accordingly, they work. Okay. And all over, because party is there, the party is not in one state or in one city. The party members are spread all over the country. तो अंदर एक की जगह में, like in the interior parts of India, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. अब we are here in Varanasi. How do we know that what is the problem of the people in Kerala? So Kerala में there are other representatives are there. There are members who see that how the problems of the common people, how the public opinion is to be shaped in the parliament. Parliament में इसको किस तरह से shape करना है, they need to understand it properly. Okay. Another thing is that these parties, they have access to government. All the political parties, they are very well accustomed with the government machinery and welfare schemes. Government, what functions government is performing, what are the duties that government is doing, वो सारी चीजें जो है पार्टीज के पास सारी डिटेल्स होती है. एंड दे डू गाइड द पीपल कि कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है, कैसे चीजों को मैनेज करना है. ऑल दीज थिंग्स are being looked after by the parties, political parties. Okay. And then what we need to do is, we need to understand is, they are very responsive to the people's need. लोगों की क्या जरूरतें हैं, they understand that. Okay. अगर जरूरतों को नहीं समझेंगे तो लोगों की प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? How will they solve the problem of the common people? So they do this thing very smoothly. And it really helps them a lot. Got it? उससे उनको बहुत मदद भी मिलती है, आम आदमी को भी काफी मदद मिलती है. ओके, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो फंक्शंस हमने कर लिया, पार्टी का फंक्शंस वी हैव डन इन द प्रीवियस वीडियोस. आई वाज जस्ट गिविंग अ रीकैप. व्हाट वी आर डूइंग टुडे इज, व्हाट इज द नेसेसिटी ऑफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. क्या पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की जरूरत है हमको? डू वी रियली नीड द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज? We have the necessity of the political parties because of the questions that have been answered in the functions. List of functions that was there. अभी जो हमने functions के बारे में discuss किया, all the functions of the political parties, it is an answer to the question that do we really need a political party? We need the political parties. Functions को देखने के बाद हमको समझ में आ गया. After discussing about the functions, we understood that yes, we need a political party because they perform all these functions, जितना भी काम है that political parties are doing, अगर political parties are not there, who will perform these functions? Got it? That is their duty. लेकिन फिर भी we need to understand कि modern democracy क्या बिना political parties के काम नहीं कर सकता है? Is it really possible that the democracy is unable to function without the support of these political parties? Okay. देखो, please understand कि political parties are necessary for any democracy that is there. Every candidate in the election will be independent. Candidates, when they contest the elections, they are independent. Okay. And no one will be able to make, कोई भी क्या है, अगर वो independent कर रहे हैं, political party अगर नहीं है, suppose political parties are not there. Let's imagine a situation when the political parties are not there. So every candidate will be independent. Nobody will be able to make any promise to the people about any major change policies. अकेले दम पे क्या क्या promise करेंगे? To look after the whole country. क्या एक आदमी के बस की बात है? नहीं. Until and unless the group is there together, जब तक group के लोग साथ में नहीं आएंगे, parties function नहीं कर पाएंगी, country भी नहीं चल पाएगा. इस चीज को समझना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके. लेकिन गवर्नमेंट हो सकता है फॉर्म हो जाए, independent candidates, they make the government, but the way effectively a group works for the country, one person cannot perform all those duties and functions in the country. Okay. Elected representatives are accountable to their constituency. जिस जगह से, suppose Narendra Modi has been declared as the member of parliament from Varanasi, so he will be looking after Varanasi. What will he do for the other parts of the country? जिस जगह पे खड़े हुए उस जगह के लोगों का ज्यादा ध्यान रखना है, that is for sure. But nobody will be responsible for how the country will run. भैया हम तो वाराणसी से जीते, वाराणसी के लोगों ने हमको जिताया है, तो मैं तो खाली वाराणसी के लिए काम करूंगा. Can he say that? No. Because he is representing a party, he was a member of a party and the party has elected him for the post of Prime Minister. पूरी पार्टी में unanimously it has been decided कि BJP तो has won the elections. Who will be the PM? It would be Narendra Modi. And unanimously they. Internal voting होती है, although they don't maintain the documents. लेकिन internally there are certain issues where combined decisions are taken. Okay. अभी अगर मान लो these were the conditions जहां पे non-party based elections are there. Party is not there. Elections are happening. लेकिन parties do not contest the elections formally. It is generally formally जो है parties जो है don't contest the elections. ये देखा गया है that the village gets split into more than one faction. पूरा village जो है वो divide हो जाता है. जब elections, during the time of election, the whole village gets divided into different parts. Parts नहीं कहेंगे, factions. And they put up a panel of its candidates. The people who are contesting the elections, the parties which are contesting the elections, वो अपने candidates की एक list देते हैं to the election commission. And this is what the duty of the political party is. Political party also plays a very major role in this. And political parties, almost all countries of the world, जितने भी दुनिया में political parties are there, whether these countries are big or small, old or new, developed or developing, they do have political parties. क्योंकि इतना बड़े कंट्री का काम संभालना एक या दो लोगों के बस की बात नहीं है. It has to be looked after. अगर if the country has to be ruled properly, अगर country का काम ठीक से चलाना है, तो it has to be seen that the political parties are formed. Then all the democracies of the world, पूरी दुनिया में जितनी भी डेमोक्रेसी हैं, political parties is linked to the emergence of representative democracies. Representative, we elect the leaders and then they form the democracy. That is there. So, large societies which are there, they need representative democracy. Okay? Please understand. Large societies need democracies. बिना इसके काम नहीं चलेगा. Big societies are there. तो डेमोक्रेसी तो फॉर्म होना ही होना है. Okay? And countries have to run in a very democratic manner. So these parties needs to be supported. इन parties को support भी चाहिए. Okay? And all these societies, they became large and complex, and they needed some agency which can gather different views, different issues, because it is, बार मैं ये चीज कह रही हूँ कि running a big country is not a responsibility of one or two people. There has to be so many people to take care of the as representatives. हम तो हर जगह नहीं जा सकते. We cannot take our decision on our own for the country's benefit. लेना चाहते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम कर सकते हैं? और other responsibilities are also there. Okay? So all these issues and we present these to the government. They needed government में क्या होता है? They need some ways. कुछ तो तरीका चाहिए. Certain criteria are there where all these representatives together make a responsible government which is looking after the country. Okay, necessity is there. Representatives take decisions for the country. Really important. हमने जिनको इलेक्ट किया है वही है. Okay? So various all these representatives, they come together and responsible government could be formed. Representatives are there who take decision for the country and form the government. Please understand. Another, we also need a complete mechanism, a complete system होता है. We need a mechanism to support or restrain the government, make policies, justify or oppose them. If a political party is there which is ruling, which has made the government, उनको बहुत सारे, they have lot of questions to be answered. If they are unable to answer these questions, then the party is not doing its work properly. There is a question on the duties or on the functions of the political party. अगर वो आंसर नहीं कर पाते हैं, डिसीजन ले रहे हैं, very well, jolly well, that's nice, good that they are taking the decision, but then they need to be supported. Okay? And they need to answer. They are answerable. Okay? Please understand. A mechanism is needed to support the government. क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं नेसेसिटी की, क्या जरूरत है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की? फंक्शंस हमने कर लिया है, लेकिन फंक्शंस है, बट क्या जरूरत है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की? When we answer these questions, then we justify ourselves. So all these needs, जहां पे कि representative government is there and parties are a necessary condition for a democracy. अगर हम democracy चाहते हैं, we want that the democracy should function properly, We have to see that political parties are there. Yes, a democracy cannot function without a political party. Got it? That is the necessity. इसके बाद you will be in your book na, there are certain pictures are there. I'll be showing you those pictures. At the end of each chapter, I do show these pictures that what are the functions that are being performed by the political parties. Got it? नेक्स्ट, एक तो हमने फंक्शन बात कर लिया, एक हमने नेसेसिटी बात कर लिया. नाउ प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट पार्टीज, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज तो होनी चाहिए, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. हाउ मेनी पार्टीज शुड वी हैव? कितनी पार्टीज होनी चाहिए? हाउ मेनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज शुड वी हैव? कितने होनी चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है कि हम कह रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होनी चाहिए. नाउ वी नीड टू एक्सप्लेन कि कितनी होनी चाहिए. हाउ मेनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज शुड बी देयर? ओके, इसमें क्या है, देयर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इन ईच कंट्री. बहुत सारी कंट्रीज में, बहुत, हमारे यहाँ पे खुद ही मोर देन 750 पार्टीज आर रजिस्टर्ड इंडिया में. यस, 750 parties are registered in India. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, बहुत सारी हैं. ठीक है, रजिस्टर कहां कराते हैं? इलेक्शन कमीशन में कराना पड़ता है. इलेक्शन कमीशन इज फंक्शनिंग इन इंडिया, तो इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास वी नीड टू गेट इट रजिस्टर्ड. द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, दे अपनी सारा लेखा जोखा देना पड़ता है ना, अपनी सारी डिटेल्स देनी पड़ती है. फिर क्या होता है, इलेक्शंस होगा तो अनटिल अनलेस द इलेक्शन कमीशन नोज कितनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज है, हाउ विल दे मेक द लिस्ट एंड हाउ विल दे मेक द कैंडिडेट्स एंड ऑल दैट. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट these political parties are registered with the election commission. Got it? And they want to form the government. They have to win the elections, form the government. Got it? लेकिन serious contenders elections में seriously register तो कराना पड़ता है. But how many are seriously working as registered political parties who are really working as effective political parties? Lot of things, I told you, lot of decisions needs to be taken. So are these political parties doing their functions properly? In some countries, what happened? Only one party is allowed to control and run the government. Some countries have got one party system. Okay? India में तो 750 parties are there. ठीक है? But some countries have only one party. And it is called as one party system. ठीक है? This is called as one party system. Do you think it is good? Even I also think कि अभी 4-10 पार्टीज हो जाती हैं, आपस में लड़ती रहती हैं, और नुकसान किसका होता है? आम आदमी का नुकसान होता है. So I feel so. That's just a thing that came to my mind. Now देखो, two things we have discussed: functions and necessity. तो ये functions and necessity के ऊपर there are some pictures in your book. I just wanted to show you that. I'll be just showing you that. Got it? तो आपको ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. How many parties should we have? We have already started this topic. 750 parties India में हैं, but some countries are there which have got only one party. एक ही पार्टी है. तो ये one party system क्या है and how is it functioning? We will be discussing about it in the next class. Got it? Dear students, just now we have completed this chapter. I mean this topic, I'm sorry. We are doing political parties. We discussed about the functions of the political parties. Then today we talked about the necessity. क्या political parties की ज़रूरत है? I have given you some points. Okay. In every class, I make it sure that I point out certain things from the book so that when you revise from the book, got it? Please try to understand why I do this thing. I am following this mode so that when you revise it from the book, every time you are not going to watch the video, when you are revising it from the book, you have to be very sure क्या क्या चीज़ें इसमें से, वैसे तो सारी चीज़ें important हैं, but then certain points which I am underlining, please go through it properly. Got it, children? तो पहला तो ये समझो कि नेसेसिटी है मॉडर्न डेमोक्रेसीज में पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज होनी ही चाहिए. ओके, एवरी कैंडिडेट, अगर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज नहीं होती है, इफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर नॉट देयर, देन द कैंडिडेट्स विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, एंड कोई भी लोगों को कुछ भी प्रॉमिस नहीं करेगा. सब लोग पतली गली से निकलना चाहेंगे. एवरीबडी विल ट्राई कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, कोई भी प्रॉमिस नहीं करना है. एंड नो प्रोमिस विल बी मेड. एनी मेजर पॉलिसी चेंजेस ये भी नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड elected representatives, the people who are elected from certain constituency, जैसे I gave you the example of Modi. Narendra Modi ji was elected from our Varanasi constituency. So in future, if he was not a member of any political party, he would have taken care of just the constituency where he has won. पूरे देश के लिए कौन सोचता? Okay, this is one thing that I wanted to show you. Then we have to also understand that the village which is there, when the elections happen, it gets into many factions. Factions means कोई religion के basis पे वोट देता है, कोई caste के basis पे वोट देता है. मतलब everybody belongs to one or the other group. Please understand. ये ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है, जानबूझ के नहीं करते हैं, बट इट डज हैपन. ओके, देन वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन द सोसाइटीज आर बिकमिंग लार्ज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स, डिफरेंट व्यूज ऑन वेरियस इश्यूज आर ऑल्सो टू बी गैदर्ड. देखना पड़ता है कि क्या क्या चीज़ें लोग चाहते हैं, वॉट आर द व्यू पॉइंट्स ऑफ द पीपल. देन मैंने आपको बताया था कि कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स हैं जो मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी. गॉट इट? ये देखो कि फंक्शंस, क्या काम है पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का, फंक्शंस को समझाया गया है. एक तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, इट इज मेंशन्ड देयर. देन थ्रू सम पिक्चर्स द फंक्शंस ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इज मेंशन्ड हियर. गॉट इट? प्लीज वी विल गो थ्रू इट. ये देखो पहला क्या है, फर्स्ट पिक्चर. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में दिस इज द, ये देखो, जस्ट सी, दिस इज द नंबर 1 पिक्चर. औरतों ने क्या किया हुआ है, दे आर वेयरिंग दिस प्याज का माला. रिमेंबर बीच में ऐसा हो गया था व्हेन द अनियन प्राइजेस हैव सोर्ड अप. अनियन के प्राइजेस कितने बढ़ गए थे, याद करो. एक्टिविस्ट ऑफ बीजेपी महिला मोर्चा डेमोन्स्ट्रेट अगेंस्ट हाइक इन प्राइजेस ऑफ अनियन एंड एलपीजी इन विशाखापट्टनम. विशाखापट्टनम में ये औरतों ने मोर्चा निकाला है कि प्याज, अनियन एंड एलपीजी के कॉस्ट इतने बढ़ गए हैं दैट दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड अनियन एनी मोर. अनियन नहीं खरीद सकते. अनियन के बिना तो आई मीन किचन में इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. मोस्ट ऑफ द फूड दैट इज कुक्ड उसमें अनियन पड़ता ही पड़ता है. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. पहला तो ये है. ओके, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का फंक्शन कि अगर प्याज के कॉस्ट बढ़ गए हैं, इफ द प्राइस ऑफ अनियन हैज गॉन अप, तो लेडीज आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम एंड ये रोड्स पे आ गई हैं बीजेपी. ओके, सेकेंड पिक्चर देखो क्या है. लुक एट द सेकेंड पिक्चर, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. ओके, सेकेंड में क्या है, Minister distributes rupees 1 lakh check to the families of huge victims at their houses. You know, some incidents दैट कीप हैपनिंग, जिसमें कि ये साउथ का कोई इंसिडेंट है विच हैड हैपेंड, आई थिंक इट हैपेंड लॉन्ग बैक, काफ़ी पहले की बात है ये। तो इसमें द जेंटलमैन इज गिविंग 1 लाख का चेक दे रहे हैं द विक्टिम्स हु हैव बीन ऑफ द, ये थोड़ा सा पता करना हुज विक्टिम्स। थर्ड फोटोग्राफ देखो, जस्ट सी द थर्ड फोटोग्राफ, क्या है, सीपीआई एंड जेडी टेक आउट अ रैली इन भुवनेश्वर। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का काम देखो, दे हैव टेकन आउट अ रैली, किस लिए, टू प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द पॉस्को। पॉस्को क्या है, पॉस्को इज द कोरियन स्टील कंपनी जो है, इनको परमिशन मिला किस चीज़ के लिए, टू एक्सपोर्ट आयरन ओर फ्रॉम ओडिशा टू फीड स्टील प्लांट्स। मतलब आयरन इंडिया का है बट इट इज़ बीइंग एक्सपोर्टेड टू चाइना एंड कोरिया, वहाँ का आयरन रिक्वायरमेंट्स फुलफिल कर रहे हैं। इंडिया में ऑलरेडी सो मच ऑफ आयरन इज नीडेड, इंस्टेड ऑफ लुकिंग एट द फुलफिल, पैसा आता है ना, China and Korea, so a lot of money will come. So the activists who are there, the political members who are there, they are opposing कि हमारे यहाँ का रिसोर्स हम बाहर क्यों दें, we must not give our resources to the outside countries. उनकी डेवलपमेंट में हम उनकी मदद कर रहे हैं। First we should think of our development, then we should think of others' development. Are you understanding? So these were some of the functions of the political parties which has been mentioned here. Just I wanted to show you, इसके लिए है। एंड लास्ट वन तो आई रियली थिंक इट इज़ वेरी गुड कि हमारे कंट्री का रिसोर्सेज हमारे पास रहना चाहिए, दूसरी कंट्रीज़ में नहीं जाना चाहिए। गॉट इट?